हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल।
कौन है तू? इसका राइट वो कौन है लोडिंग?
गाइस, वी आर इन मैकडॉनल्ड्स।
चाचू मैं जो रेड फ्लैग वाली कौन है?
आई लव मैकडॉनल्ड्स।
कैसा करती है? हेलो मैं क्यूट रेड फ्लैग्स याद है वो बोल रही?
प्लीज इग्नोर गाइस।
यार इग्नोर मी I'm doing my work. हाँ बन गया था यार। अच्छा लोड़े ने टिश्यू भी नहीं ले गया।
गरीब है बना हमारा। हम लोग का ड्रेक
मंडे पब्लिक मेरे को देख के ब्लॉग में डर जाएगी।
मार डालना।
कटिंग ही वैसा करो।
But this is the first time I am eating ice cream in guys, people over here is watching me.
लोग कहाँ गए? मैं वेजी लेने गया बनाने गया।
Now watch this guys. See guys. Jealous people. They can't even see me eating ice cream over here. You know guys, we have one motherfucker every time English.
सेठ का माल हमेशा घास प्लेट लेते हैं।
Free guys, free. In meal. I know money burning. See, he is very poor.
Can afford only one.
He told he is going to bring Mac Veggie. Then this Bhikhari said that first time coming in Mac. No. He is telling it's samosa na.
मिडिल क्लास पीपल ना लाइक
Middle class people,
शो योर बुची
low budget people. He is so lamba, see, 6 feet, but his down is very 2 feet. His down is 2 feet. His height is 6 feet. Very much
He
different.
means to say I'm so down to earth.
Yeah, but he is also down, not stand. Signal loose. Ask Papa ji.
तेरा बाप पापा
My father, Papa ji.
पापा जी नो ब्रो
Papa ji. See, breast come out. Show your breast. Show. See.
Check my Instagram.
Yeah. Don't follow.
Karan.xxx
He only comes in XXX tubes. Pornhubs. Cute to बता
www.karankodalo.com
आजा ब्लॉग में आना जरा।
करण ए करण
Now he will not come.
रेट की है उधर
Nice goal. No budget of me. You know why guys I don't come to McDonald's? Because they not shut
These
down
guys
lights.
got no money to buy a tripod. Fucking assholes.
Yeah. He's
please guys subscribe
let him
Subscribe so that they can buy
let him ask.
a mic.
He's a legendary Bhikhari. Come on
They can
guys.
buy a mic, they
Please
can buy
buy
a tripod, they can
for
buy
us,
some
for
accessories.
us, please.
I'll take you
I'll to you
Now,
tell.
guys,
He
you
is no bhau kind. Two people asked him no you in.
guys please subscribe oh sorry please subscribe. We have to buy tripod, gimbal, so much things for you.
Even we have to pay McDonald's because their light is gone.
Yeah.
Because they have not
So
paid
please
bill.
subscribe. We are not asking you for money. Just subscribe, likes,
और मैंने भीख मांग रहे हैं साले।
comment.
He sits near
गुरमुख का भी
temple.
Give me that tissue paper. Tissue पेपर
he is a thief. You know thief, guys? And he, who is he?
I am a thief of hearts.
Yes, the old ladies. He only date old ladies because he wants to be sugar daddy.
No, step move.
Murder.
Step move. He won't step mom. He want a luxury life. He says,
Guys, if you want that I should hit him, then please comment down after the video.
generation want to know.
If you put 1 lakh comments, then tomorrow I will slap him behind. If 2 lakh comments, then we will slap Rohit. If 3 lakh comment, yes
We're gonna
sir.
spank Lucky's ass.
Sir, just a moment. Little ice cream, empty, no?
Okay वाले को भी ले लो.
We have taken permission as we have granted. We are a content creator. We understand him that we little ice cream empty, no? We will go. Because
No one is understanding your language. Talk
sorry guys,
Talk in
actually,
Hindi.
actually na, my father America returned. My mother
They have not taken the tickets. His father was sitting in the tire cabin, and he gone America. But they have seen, the police has seen him, his father,
so
and his,
they were imported back.
no, deported, bro, not imported.
Come. Guys, please ignore.
Please ignore.
Come.
अरे जगह तो छोड़ा नहीं कि
Let him also come, no?
बता के बैठ गया.
And please speak louder. If voice reaches to people, then people will
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
इनकी जबान फिसलती है एक वर्ड बोलने के लिए. मेरे
And his whole character is slippery.
How you touch him?
It wasn't at the
I-
soft start.
I will not kiss him, no. Or white here. See, teeth. See, guys. If you eating free things, no, then this will happen. Never complain about this. You know why? Because free things will be closed down. Let them do. You enjoy no meal. Because I have eaten full ice cream, no?
This guy is heavily
If-
drunk today.
If
शराब के नशे में घुस
Please
रहा
let
है.
me-
What?
let me
That's the
speak.
reason he is speaking so perfect.
Please get him out.
Go there, go there.
ऊपर से ये नशे के ऊपर
See guys, if this much part fall after his hit, no problem because I hit all ice cream, no. Free, no. If my money and he hits,
Big problem.
big problem. Free, no.
भाई बॉन्ड तक चली गई नीचे इसके. ऐसे पट के पड़े खड़क करके.
Hey, don't throw.
You wasting food? It's the manners you got.
Suck it.
सर में चली गई आइसक्रीम. सर में चली गई. फोन सर में अटक गया उसके. निकल. Come on. Take it out.
Guys, revenge will be taken soon. You know what's the good thing? No one saw it. Guys, I came after hand wash. See? Actually, the thing is it was free, no? So I let go. But when my money, no? And he do this, no?
When your money come,
That future will answer. So,
Future will answer, you will answer with your money.
subscribers, please help me. Please. I cannot take this insult. He tells me poor because I am a poor.
Because I don't give money.
Accept the faith.
चलो भाई.
हैप्पी दिवाली.
हैप्पी दिवाली को.
मेरा हाथ तो छोटा है, 4 हाथ से मिला. चलो भाई हैप्पी दिवाली.
Happy Diwali. It's been a very long time we've met this guy.
कुछ याद आया?
It's time to just
Once more, Gurmukh bhai, once more, come on. Let's recreate the scene. Bro, how's you feeling, man? Bro, he needs Sahara. He's drunk.
What he was doing, he was bored over there.
He was more over there.
Yeah, let's give him a ride. Let's give him a ride.
Let's go out.
Even
Let's take him. What should we say?
everyone is looking us
Yeah.
because we are unique.
Let's go from here.
Let give him a round, no?
Don't
Bored.
meeting.
He will come to your house, huh, bro?
At night.
At night. गांड हाथ में. ताटिया बिच्चू, big brother, bro.
क्या हो गया? पेट्रोल खत्म हुआ.
गाइस यहाँ पे गाड़ी चालू नहीं हो रही थी तो अभी टो देके उनको हाईवे तक ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं. वो काशी मीरा रहते हैं तो अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है. भाई गुरमुख भाई ने सोशल पॉज किया है. भाई हाईवे तक छोड़ा है भाई ने. चेल्सी बुच में. भाई आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे? भाई आपने सोशल पॉज किया है भाई. भाई एक ऑटोग्राफ तो बनता है भाई. कुछ तो बोलो दर्शकों को. दर्शकों को कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
That great message you would like.
मैंने बड़े लोग का
बस यही आप ये कोई दिखे आपको तो उसकी हेल्प कर दिया करो.
अच्छा, मेरे को लगा आप जॉब नहीं देंगे. इतने डाउन टू अर्थ है कि आप जॉब ही नहीं दोगे. ओके गाइस, तो व्लॉग हम लोग यहीं पे एंड कर रहे हैं. तो मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में.